Yeah, we're back. We got another Prius for you. 2010 Prius 2. This is a loaded up car and it is exceptional in every way. Let's start. It's got no rust on it. It's a 2-owner unit with a perfect Carfax. It's never been in an accident. Extremely well maintained inside and out. Never smoked in. Look at inside of this car. I mean, it's like brand new. Got the JBL system. This vehicle also has hands-free Bluetooth. I believe satellite radio. You can double check that. Nice set of tires on it, all fully serviced and safety inspected. 50 some miles to a gallon on this car. And they never die. They just drive and drive and drive and drive. We've had no issues with the battery life on these. Really no issues at all. Tires and brakes, some oil every blue moon, and she's ready to go. Guaranteed credit approval, you know it. Definitely available on a reliable car like this. $595 starting down payment. This vehicle's ice cold air. I've had the opportunity to drive it from Northfield, so I got a good 40-minute ride out of it, and she drove absolutely beautiful. She's available right now at dascleveland.com. She's going to get a service contract, 3 months, 4,500 miles on the drive line of this Prius. It's a 2010 perfect Carfax, guaranteed credit approval, and the car is like new. Want a cash offer? Want to save some? Come on down, put the money on the table. Let's deal. dascleveland.com.